wonderful people of the world today, and my usual viewers, which there aren't many of you anyway, to be honest, but you know, keep trotting on like you do. That's all you can do. So I finished my shifts now. I've just got to go home. And finish off my handover. And then go from there. And then I'll be done for 8 days, so I'll be off then for ages. Fuck me, my wrist hurts. Wrist is killing me. Going for a 150-mile ride. So yeah, as I was saying, we're going to be out playing on Friday for 150 odd miles. I do that in pretty much a couple of weeks. So yeah, I think I'm gonna need extra petrol money. At least I'll be clocking in some tyre miles going forward. So yeah, that'll be fun and interesting. Here we are, we're going to be a while by here now. Yeah, slow down a little bit. Fucking hell. Jesus Christ. Going way too fast for you. It's going at least fucking 40 miles per hour. When it's fucking bin day. Well, not bin day, food bin. Fucking psychopaths out on a fucking Monday morning. Look at them all. Wind me up. No, I'm being naughty now. Seriously, I'm gonna slap some mirrors now. It's bad. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. No fucker's gonna be late for work. That's beyond me. It is beyond me. Watch out for those bastards. Glad I'm going home, not riding to work. Jesus. Fucking ridiculous. So we got a corner cutters, we got a speeders. I can't say much, I'm going 5 miles over by here. But I don't know, it's fucking mental. Absolutely mental. Fine, don't matter. You're high and mighty fucking little pony. Oh wow, I've literally, I've lost the will to live in this episode. Fucking hell, I've double downed. I've lost the will to live in this fucking episode, I gotta be honest. I was supposed to be talking about what's happening. I think I covered it like briefly by saying, yeah, we're gonna be fucking busy on Friday, which is 150 miles. which is yeah, it's going to be a long ass ride. So what I've got in mind is, if I'm going to record, I'm going to record some of it on mic, and then do the rest of the day probably like a slow, beautiful transition, and break into it, you know, the best moments, as opposed to thing. I might just do it in parts, like some of it with mic, and then obviously I'll indicate it when it is and when it isn't. So what I'll do is I'll chuck the SD card in my phone, cut all the GoPro video off. Oh my god. Cut all the GoPro video off. Yeah, I cut all the GoPro video off of it. So, because I'll have a 64, I've got a 64 gigabyte SD card. Okay, oh my god, I'm ready. I'm ready for bed. I say I'm ready for bed, and I've been stagger sleeping on my shift because it's just been quiet. Lol. I've been thinking, and I need your guys' honest opinions. Well, the ones that do comment anyway. The rest I'll just ask for in person, the people I ride with. What do you think about like random rides? I'm not sure if you follow like when me and my brother we used to do like a random ride thing. So it'd be like random events, no specific order, just either dicking about or thing. Would you like to see like a compilation of those?